Yes, today I'm going to talk about this guy. He has been ranting over the social media like us. We've been talking. But we must call a spade a spade. This guy they call IJELE. I don't know where he hails from. IJELE. If you people could remember, between 2021 and 2022, he was ranting and carrying placards all over Abuja, speaking against the one and only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a big meat. He's a big guy. He's a big wing. He's nobody. He's somebody that nobody can put down. That's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is jelly of a guy. I don't know what he has with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a global person. He's an international repute. He's not somebody you can put down. Before he threats, he watch. He doesn't just threat on anything. And if you watch what he has done in the past and presently, he has never failed. IJELE has been ranting, making all manner of noise in the name of castigating him, saying all bad things against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But it doesn't change any situation. Do you understand? I don't know if this is IJELE of a guy. For me, I see him as a sick person. If you have anything against Nnamdi Kanu, you should wait or you go to his family and ask for what belongs to you. But if you are bringing up this your stupid narrative against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to the Igbos in general, I think you have lost it. The way you speak, let me remind you, few months ago, you were incarcerated, you were in prison, according to what happened. I don't know what you are saying about Ebuka Obi. You were also talking against Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi is doing his business. He's doing his preaching. I mean, freeing those that are in captivity, kind of. I don't know what he said against him, and he picked you up. You will almost die in the prison, if not some of us who came up to speak for your release. Not that we spoke for your release because you're a good guy. You are not a good guy. Little I've seen about you. I see you are an angry bird. I see you, there is something looming in you that is bigger than you that you don't know. So people rallied around, everybody talked about, release you. Not they were just being sympathetic because you are almost dying. Now it's like you have been let loose from chain, where you were chained. Now you have started talking nonsense. You have started to speak like a parrot. Listen, let me tell you, IJELE, enough of that your nonsense. Is coming to a point that you need to be cautioned. Let me remind you, few days ago I saw you blabbing again, talking about Dave Umahi and Peter Obi. You don't support Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for his agitation of emancipation of Biafrans, for us to be free. You don't support it the way you speak. Everybody have seen it. You don't support Peter Obi, who has no skeleton on his cupboard. Now your candidate is Dave Umahi. I don't blame you and I don't go against your choice of candidate. For me, I don't believe in one Nigeria. Based on what Nigerian states has done, what they have done to we, the Igbos, how we have been marginalized. That is why I don't speak one Nigeria. I don't know where you stand. Now, you don't want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You don't want Peter Obi. The difference between Peter Obi and Dave Umahi, Peter Obi is not corrupt. Dave Umahi is corrupt. Whatever thing he has done in Ebonyi State, okay, for sure, he stayed 8 years and he should have done something because he was collecting the state allocation, right? So if he did not do anything, then by now his name will be ringing. Dave Umahi is a corrupt person, if you don't know it. Going from his brother general in army and himself, you cannot tell me that he is impeccable. I don't believe that Dave Umahi is impeccable. So if you want to compare people, do not compare Peter Obi with anybody. If Peter Obi is not impeccable, I mean, if he's corrupt, the way you are sounding, EFCC, this script writers that Nigerian government uses to chase some people, they would have been chasing Peter Obi, but you can see that he's very clean as snow. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want you to continue to mess up on social media, because it's like you are completely disgracing yourself. Yes, I don't know what Igbos have done to your family that made you to be so angry. You speak against your people. What is your problem? Are you not seeing how your people are marginalized? You don't see it? There is no railway in Igbo land. There is no seaport in Igbo land. Even though there is one international airport, there has to be more international airports in your state, in your place. Is there anyone? There is none. And that doesn't correct your mental, disability. You talk like you have been losing from chain. I don't like the way you speak. You speak like someone who is completely angry and someone who is sick. Yes, because no one in his right senses right now in the situation of Nigeria that does not praise Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And if they ask you what Nnamdi Kanu has done, you cannot say anything. You are just blabbing. Nnamdi Kanu killed soldiers. Nnamdi Kanu see police. Can you prove anyone or what you have saying? It's already in court. No one has been able to prove it. So if you are talking, use your brain. Use your brain. Don't put yourself in a situation that you can never come out. Nnamdi Kanu, the case is in court, and the court could not prove him wrong. That is just it. It is the plain truth. So the way you talk sometimes, I don't like it. Let me be honest with you. This is the first time I'm talking about you. And the second time I'm going to talk about you, maybe I'm going to render some abuse on you. Maybe I'm going to even do more than that. Do you get what I'm saying? So I want you to always have yourself in mind and your people. P2B want to champion, and you rightly know that even the most Igbos are not even, they are not talking about one Nigeria. What they want is Biafra. I know you hate Biafra, and I don't know why you hate Biafra. If you want to join Nigerian state, you go and join them. Why are you disturbing people who are doing what is right? You cannot marginalize. Now you are saying that the SASAT will not join. SASAT and SAT is the same. If you don't know it. If you use your brain, go and check history. They are the same. Why are you misbehaving? You are misbehaving. You are misbehaving. Control yourself and do what. If you don't know what to say, go and start preaching Bible. Or you go and do Omenala. That is what I expect you to do. Stop talking rubbish. You have been misleading people and talking rubbish. Yes, I don't like it. Stop this nonsense you are doing. You went to Abuja carrying placard shouting Nnamdi Kanu, is it Nnamdi Kanu this? All what Nnamdi Kanu said has come to pass. And you are still talking rubbish. You are still talking nonsense. You talk Simon Ekpa. Is it Nnamdi Kanu the reason why Boko Haram is reigning? ISWAP. Is it Nnamdi Kanu the cause? You are saying insecurity in the east. It's everywhere. And it's even Fulani herdsmen. If not that the Nigerian state brought this mayhem to east, these non-state actors wouldn't have taken over the place, which you know, it's happening everywhere. It's happening in Yoruba land, it's happening in the north, it's happening everywhere. And all what you come online to speak is to speak against your people. Now you are comparing P2B and the Dave Umahi. Who does that? Now, Dave Umahi and P2B, they are not in the same party. If Dave Umahi want to belong to APC, let him contest as a presidency under APC. P2B is not in APC. Dave Umahi can as well go to PDP. There are many parties he can as well form his own party. P2B can come from any other party. Anybody can come out. Even you can come out as president if you wish. Why are you talking rubbish? I don't like it. Stop it. Stop this nonsense you are talking. It's never going to help you from today. Stop it. Stop it. Because I'm still going to come back on this topic. You have been talking for so long and your talks makes no meaning. Stop it. Stop it. This is the last time I'm going to say it.